Dear students, today we will learn the basic rules of narration change. Narration change means some speaker is saying something to the another person in front of him or her, and if it is reported by the second person next day to the third person, then it is a reporting or indirect speech. Understand? Now we shall understand the rules following some live examples. Let us take the first example. Rohit said she lives in India. So here you are getting two parts. Part one, the speaker who said, and what did he say, অর্থাৎ what he says. Here the Rohit said she lives in India. She means some woman lives in India, and if it is reported, then how can you do it? Rohit said that she lived in India. Here you are getting lives to lived. That means present to past, because it is reporting and reporting is always done in past. So verbs must be changed into past according to the sentence. And another change is that to be added, because it is assertive sentence, so you must add one that for reporting. Rohit said that she lived in India. These are the basic rules of assertive sentence. Then go for present continuous. Rohit said she is reading. তাহলে she is reading is continuous. How can you make it? Rohit said that she was reading. That means is reading to was reading, because Rohit said. Said means it is in past, so you have to change the reporting speech also by past. Present perfect. Rohit said she has been to Australia. Has been is present perfect. So how can you make? Rohit said that she had been in Australia. Have been or has been to had been. Present perfect continuous. Rohit said it has been raining for 2 hours. Present perfect continuous is a tense where something started in past but it continuing in present. So how to make? Rohit said that it had been raining for 2 hours. That means object is completely unchanged and subject it is also unchanged, but verb is changed to has been to had been. Let us take simple past. Rohit said she danced. Here Rohit said is past and she danced also in past. So Rohit said that she had danced. So you must remember that danced should be had danced is past to past perfect. Next, past continuous. Rohit said I was walking to school when it started raining. Rohit said that he had been walking to school when it started raining. Followed? I is changed to he, and next change was walking to had been walking. That means past continuous to past perfect continuous. In this way you have to do the assertive sentence. And today we discussed only present and past. Thank you.